Hello? Aimee. Hello? Hello? Aimee. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I was late. I accidentally this time for real slept in because my alarm didn't go off for real. And it's not my fault because I had my alarm on and I even asked my Alexa to remind me to get up, but then I don't know what happened. I'm sorry. Yeah, but I decided this corner is pretty durable and safe looking, and yeah, for real, really cross my heart, hope not to play a scary game for real.